Hello everyone! Once again, we start a new journey outside the familiar highways, where we continue to equip ourselves with new knowledge through road rage situations. Let's jump right into this video so you don't miss anything. The advantage is not always in favor of the person with the weapon in hand. This man, enraged during a previous incident, aggressively got out of the car and took a baseball bat as a way to gain more confidence. The tension only started to escalate when the man used a stick to hit the car really hard. In the end, the rampage ended with him regretting his actions. The Jaguar suddenly drove up in front of Will and brake check in front of him. But this happened not just once, but 3 times in a row.
I got some money.
Finally, the man in the car approached Will and carried a baseball bat with the intention of attacking Will.
Yep. Yep. Go on, keep going.
Andrew was filming on the street when a man came up to him, accusing Andrew of intentionally filming him. This enraged the man, who then attacked Andrew. The man's rage quickly ended when Andrew used pepper spray on him. Appreciating yourself is a good way to help you gain self-confidence, but in some situations, you will have to see your true abilities. A security camera captured the moment 2 criminals fled from the police, but their excessive speed caused their car to lose control and flip over. The 2 criminals tried to escape after that, but failed. In some cases, the police arrived just in time. Road rage suddenly turned into a silent drama. If you were the man sitting in the white car, what would you do? The incident started when the woman in the red car approached Dylan and raised her middle finger at him to show her disdain. Dylan also immediately left afterwards. But the rage started when at one point the woman threw her cigarette in Dylan's face, making him angry. This man was driving slowly and weaving in and out of lanes without any intention of letting Harvey pass. This enraged the driver of the pickup truck behind him, who decided to teach him a lesson.
Oh my goodness. Oh! Yo, where are the police?
Interestingly, after the incident, the person criticized was still Harvey.
Oh no. Yeah, it's time to fight, buddy. What?
People will do anything to avoid admitting they are wrong. An incident occurred on the road when Trilax was riding his motorcycle and a man driving a pickup truck made a slow U-turn, almost causing Trilax to crash into him. Worth mentioning is that the man got out of the car and deliberately blamed Trilax.
Dumbass, dude, what the Right here, bitch. I got this shit, dude. Did you care you hit my truck because you almost killed me? Watch where you're going. I'm going straight. Then stop.
What would you do if you discovered thieves trying to steal your car? Lewis was traveling on the road when he encountered a group of robbers intending to rob his car. Lewis immediately reacted by accelerating, rushing into the robber's car and leaving. Lewis's action almost put him in danger, but ultimately he was safe. If you were in a similar situation, what would be your safer and better way to handle it? Please comment below to let everyone know. In the end, those who stay calm in the midst of rage are the winners. Do you agree with this view? Let's discuss together below in the comments section. This man veered into Roger's lane and got mad about it. This guy also wanted to prove himself wrong a second time by getting out of the car while participating in traffic. He didn't know if Rog had a gun or if Rog was going to stab him, but he still thought he should try to confront Rog. A hot head cannot take you home safely. This young driver should have waited longer before entering the roundabout. But this action certainly does not warrant what the other driver did. The rainy weather caused slippery roads, resulting in the BMW losing control. The car skidded, causing the driver to panic. After regaining balance, a large truck rushing in further escalated the panic. Fortunately, there were no damages in this situation. A car suddenly changed lanes and plowed straight into traffic, seemingly without any observation. At least 3 cars were damaged in this collision. But luckily, everyone remained safe after this chaotic situation. This woman ignored the stop sign right in front of her and crashed her car into a parked SUV. Police and courts never accept the excuse of being busy. Those moments of impatience account for over 70% of accidents worldwide.
She was on stage, she was in the movie, she was a recording star.
The daring cyclist recklessly ran a red light, despite a car ready to go as the light turned green. Despite hesitating, he attempted to rush through, disregarding the honks of others.
Holy shit! Wow!
Two vehicles sustained heavy damage as the van attempted to run a red light and collided with a left-turning pickup truck. The direct impact caused the pickup to veer into a utility pole before stopping. Fortunately, no injuries occurred.
Oh my god.
This Civic was hit by an Amazon truck while backing up, but he immediately left the scene. Perhaps many people do not know how to handle an accident. They would rather drive away and pretend nothing happened than confront others. The collision from behind of Honda CR-V, this comes from the reason this car turned left without paying attention to the rear. But rather, he stopped hesitantly before wanting to change lanes. Both had to stop to exchange information before leaving. This could be what happens when you drive against the sun. The car in front observed traffic slowing down, and he slowed down to keep a safe distance, but this Volvo did not observe. This caused him to crash heavily into the rear of the vehicle ahead. The collision was quite unexpected, causing the car to lose control and rush away, dragging two other cars into the accident before flipping sideways. Two cars were severely damaged. Hope everyone is okay. Perhaps the driver was fidgeting with his phone while waiting at the red light, and they only realized it when they noticed the car next to them speeding away. A serious accident occurred, and at least 3 cars were seriously damaged in Toronto, Canada. When the Jeep tried to pass the yellow light and crashed into the sedan that was turning left, the impact was so cold that it caused the Jeep to crash into another car before it stopped, hoping everyone was okay. If you are in a similar situation, don't try to go through a yellow light, because it sometimes cannot save you a few seconds. Continuing, the warning signs have been regrettably neglected. Mainly deserted intersections are places where you have to be even more vigilant. The Land Rover almost crashed into the abyss when he came around the corner because he was traveling at too fast a speed in extremely slippery road conditions due to heavy rain. In slippery road conditions, maintain a safe speed. Every road brings you to your destination, but it's not everything. To save time, this man decided to rush through the fence rather than patiently find the way out. Clearly, looking ahead is more important than looking at your phone, especially at intersections. His driving skills are excellent. We can all see that this is probably part of his plan.
By doing what you did, because now we all
Kevin
are out of
Netchville was
production
waiting at a
because you
red
were in
light
such
at
a
an
freaking
intersection
hurry to be
when
able
he
to get
encountered a
everything
serious
done.
incident.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I gotta go! I gotta call 911!
The Ford and the armored truck crashed into each other when the Ford wanted to turn left and the armored truck was approaching at very fast speed. The collision caused the Ford to rotate in a circle before stopping. Clearly, the Ford was more seriously damaged. Everyone was extremely panicked at the scene before their eyes. Hope everyone is still safe.
Bye.
It is difficult to have peace of mind if children are in this driver's car. The driver didn't even think about stopping. I really can't imagine what would happen if it was a child walking on the street. The driver of this van couldn't wait, so he chose another route. But this route didn't help him save time. It also made him stuck in finding a way to get home.
Ale w ogóle to, co ten biały p***ał, to też tak...
Christy Luvisi was traveling on the highway when suddenly a young man driving a Civic changed lanes and rushed towards her, didn't turn on the lights and didn't look behind him, and this is how he created the problem. Both cars were damaged, but everyone was still safe because there was still enough time to deal with it. The woman driving this, Camry, tried to accelerate without turning on the warning lights and then stopped suddenly. She screamed that she had been harmed and tried to convince her that she was not at fault. It seems like she never thought about the presence of this dash cam.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
This is why you should drive slowly when others show signs of stopping. Not only does it keep you safe, but it can also save time.
Why was he speeding like that?
Two cars were damaged because of the Volkswagen driver's distraction. Even though the Mercedes had stopped for a long time, his car still drove forward and crashed into the Mercedes, then continued to crash into a row of trees on the right before completely stopping. Luckily, no one was injured. Please help us grow by subscribing and sharing. Thank you for your support.
We're going. You don't have a wheel loose or something.
Have you ever encountered someone trying to avoid blame in this way? Comment below so we can discuss.
Yeah, we kill it over there. Oh!
This time, due to lack of attention, the white car driver almost paid the price for his actions.
I've just been working on the little licks.
This
the
motorcyclist
basis throws in
almost
here.
hit Joel Bentz
There.
while he was
Wow.
traveling at the intersection.
So
He had to jump onto the curb to narrowly avoid being hit.
what are we supposed to do, dude?
The accident occurred when the SUV driver did not look behind him when he changed lanes, and the truck did not have enough time to brake. Both cars crashed into each other quite strongly, causing the SUV to be seriously damaged. Fortunately, the airbags worked, so everyone was only slightly injured. The incident happened on Touchton Road in Florida. This guy tried to turn the corner too fast, causing the car to lose control and rush to the next road and stop on the grass. He was not injured, but the car was slightly damaged. Always be focused and patient when driving, because every moment on the highway, anything can happen. Wishing you safe driving every day. Thank you for watching the video. We will see you again in the next video.